video I'm just gonna show you how I created my fringe, how I made my bangs. Basically, I got a lot of questions by a lot of people. They asked me to make this video, that's why I did record it, you know. So yeah, what I like to do first is to take my hot comb, because this wig was like a metal par wig first. I'm using a closure, by the way. It's a closure wig. It was a metal par closure wig. So now I'm turning it into a full bank wig. So yeah, I like to take my hot comb and just comb all the hair forward. Like most of the hair on the closure, I just comb it forward, and then like you're gonna create this triangle shape with the closure, and just make sure it's like triangle. Like, I don't know if you guys know what I mean, but as you can see, I'm just doing these triangle lines, like from that side, from one side to the other. It's just gonna make a triangle shape basically. And yeah, and then like you wanna take your hot comb and like comb it forward again, like flatten it out a bit more, and then take your scissors and cut it a little bit longer. Don't cut it short because you're gonna regret it. You can always go shorter if you cut it longer. So yeah, you wanna cut it a little bit longer. And you know, I did go ahead and wear it just to see where the fringe where the fringe lays, basically. And I loved the length. I don't know how I knew that was the length, but you know, you should normally cut a little bit longer than you want, because you can always go shorter. But yeah, once you've done this, you can always take your hair straightener, just straighten the hair, and if you need to cut it more, go ahead and cut it more. But yeah, I didn't need to cut it more, so I didn't do that. I just took my straightener and just like curve it a little bit, and that's how I like my fringe. That's how fringes are normally anyway. But yeah, I went ahead and plucked our hair out of the closure, because I like my fringe a little bit more on the thinner side. If you like it thick like this, then you can leave it like that. But as you guys saw on my intro, it was a little bit more thinner than this. So I plucked her hair out of my closure just to give me that thin effect. Like, I didn't show that part because I filmed it off camera, but yeah, it's a lot more thinner now. So yeah guys, that's pretty much it. You can always create your fringe how you want it. I like my fringes exactly like this. I don't like those, I don't know, those like the one that goes round. I don't like them ones. It doesn't suit my face, and yeah, I like these like straight kind of fringes, and yeah, I love it. And it's pretty easy, anyone can do this. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was only a like 3 minute video, but I hope you enjoy it. And yeah guys, take care. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll leave all the hair details down below. If you guys want, you can check it out and all that. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye.